Teka na. Di ba? Go lang. Tapos na ako. Ma'am?
Yes, miss? Can I help you?
Tapos na po ako sa coding test.
Wow, that was fast. Let me see. Okay. Very good. You did well. Huh?
Salamat po.
I'm so impressed. Keep up the good work. Okay, excuse me, ah. Thank you. Ladies, trainees, please. Dito muna tayong lahat. Yes, kindly find your seat. Okay. Meron ding staff tayo na kukuha ng inyong mga personal belongings. Don't worry, it will be very, very safe. Para lang po ito sa safety ng lahat na walang mawala sa inyong mga gamit, okay? It will be given back. Don't worry. Okay, so pakibigay lang po lahat. First of all, I would like to congratulate you because for the first time in the company's history, meron tayong all-female batch of trainees! Yes! This is what we call girl power! This is how we show the world how we women work. Diba? Alright. Okay. Now, let's get down to business. Meron lang po akong announcement para sa ating lahat. Unang-una na, gusto ko kayong pasalamatan sa inyong pasensya at tiyaga because medyo ginabi na tayo dito sa ating training facility. It is because nasira po ang ating shuttle service pabalik ng Maynila. Yes. It's being repaired now pero baka hindi po matapos ngayong gabi.
Paalam po kay Mama,
you will
makakauwi
have to
after
spend
ko.
the night here at our training
May
facility.
kailangan akong
But
puntahan
please, ladies, don't worry because everything has been taken care of by our company. Everything will be provided for free. Yun pong inyong accommodation for the night. It will be taken care of by the company. Fully paid po yan. Wala po kayong iintindihin. And also, yung inyong mga pagkain, libre po sa ating mess hall anytime. You can just go there and eat. And ang inyong mga sleeping quarters po, maayos na maayos po. And syempre, ang inyong toiletries at ang inyong mga damit. Pinaghandaan na po namin yan nung nalaman namin nasira ang shuttle service. Kaya, wag po kayong mag-alala.
Ay,
Okay?
stop naman pa.
Okay ba? Naintindihan po natin lahat? Okay.
Ma'am, may
yes?
tanong
Yes,
lang po
ma'am.
ako. Gusto ko lang pong malaman kung kailan po namin makukuha yung mga cellphone namin.
Yes po, ma'am, kasi kailangan po sana.
Yeah, yes, I understand. Ako rin, nahihirapan na walang cellphone. Di ba? Sanay tayo dyan eh. But unfortunately, dito sa loob ng ating training facility, hindi talaga tayo pwedeng magkaroon ng cellphone. No? Ito ang pinakamahigpit na pinagbabawal dito as this may interfere with our electromagnetic interference. At pag nangyari yon, anong pwedeng mangyari? Masisira ang ating mga equipment. And of course, we don't want that to happen, hindi ba? Kaya tinatago muna namin ang inyong mga cellphone. Pati yung cellphone ko, nakatago din. But please don't worry because it will be very, very safe. At I promise you, bukas na bukas, as soon as you step out of our training facility, ay ibabalik namin sa inyo ang inyong mga cellphones. Understood?
Yes,
Ha? Konting tiis lang.
Bukas pa tayo
Okay, so for tonight, all you have to do is just enjoy. Diba? You know, bond with each other. Kasi ito yung pagkakataon makilala nyo ang isa't isa because you, ladies, will be working closely together. Okay, please, ibigay na natin ang ating mga overnight kits. Everything has been taken care of. Okay, ayan. Isa-isa po, ha? Lahat kayo makakakuha.
Parang PR package lang yan. Uy, ano yung sa'yo?
Okay? Make sure lahat meron, ha?
Ay, color pink. Pati sa akin po.
Okay.
Pink ka din ba?
So, ang gagawin nyo lang tonight is just enjoy each other's company and rest and relax. So, bukas, fresh tayo at may energy, okay?
perfecto. Bye!